Do you agree with this? Share in. Let's go back to when the renowned futurist Elon Musk famously declared, "Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous than nuclear weapons." Though some of his followers may be busy underlining his remarks, what we are going to learn in this video is the exact opposite of danger. Aside from this abhorrent claim, what positive aspects of AI he overlooked? Yes, I will demonstrate to you today how artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming the healthcare system, and the many wonders it has already brought about, not to mention the many more that lie ahead. So stay put, people, because you are going to discover everything crucial, and in the end, disprove Elon. What kind of change in the healthcare system do you all hope artificial intelligence will bring about? Just follow me and write down your ideas. Prior to delving into the specific innovations that artificial intelligence is bringing to our healthcare system, it is imperative to acknowledge the constraints and issues that the system now faces and how AI can help overcome them. Medical imaging and radiography are becoming more powerful thanks to artificial intelligence. As everyone knows, getting access to high-quality healthcare has always been difficult in both developed and developing nations. This is mostly due to the expensive nature of certain medications, which puts a strain on the healthcare system's finances. As if all of this wasn't difficult enough, the shortage of healthcare providers further complicates the system. This not only makes the already staff-starved hospitals even more empty, but it also opens the door for possible negative effects like ineffective care, proving that the adage "a little knowledge is a dangerous thing" is entirely true. What, in light of these obstacles, do you all believe will improve universal healthcare access, equity, and completeness? If the response is undoubtedly not a human, then all right, our only remaining choice is artificial intelligence. I want to start by asking you a question. How long does a doctor take to diagnose your illness? Pretty lengthy, isn't that right? Numerous tests and other procedures are required, and occasionally they are still insufficient to correctly diagnose the illness. What if I told you that an AI can accurately diagnose your illness in a matter of seconds, and that diagnosis is 100% accurate? Patients with particular disorders, such as aneurysms or strokes, are immediately identified by them. Most people's largest misconception regarding AI is probably that it will eventually replace healthcare workers. Those of us working in the medical field are aware of how complex healthcare is. AI is meant to help, right? You did really hear correctly. However, how does it accomplish this? A variety of data can be analyzed by AI algorithms, such as demographic information, medical history, biosignals, vital signs, 2D and 3D imaging, and laboratory test results. Healthcare professionals are empowered to make decisions about patient care thanks to this cutting-edge technology. Artificial intelligence, AI, greatly improves prediction accuracy, speed, and efficiency in the diagnostic process by analyzing and interpreting this volume of data. This is not where it ends. One of the methods is to evaluate pictures, including DXAs, CT scans, MRIs, ultrasounds, and X-rays. It helps medical personnel recognize and diagnose illnesses. Now, this AI would address a lot of issues if we could only deploy it in regions of the world where there aren't as many medical professionals or they lack the training needed to make accurate diagnoses. The impact of AI is greater than we could have ever imagined. Its application of modeling has revolutionized the world of drug development. It can now swiftly detect medications thanks to this, which saves a ton of time and money. AI-assisted dataset analysis has led to breakthroughs, such as the development of a novel therapeutic molecule for obsessive-compulsive disorder and the repurposing of existing medications for conditions like ALS. The ongoing influence that AI is having on this sector of the economy has the potential to revolutionize the pharmaceutical business by accelerating the development of cures and treatments. Every step we take is met with surprise after surprise from the AI. Another fantastic way artificial intelligence is transforming healthcare is through its incorporation into remote patient monitoring. It seems as though getting to the hospitals doesn't require a lengthy trip. The comments section. This is particularly true in places with few or distant hospitals. Furthermore, it is evident how AI is facilitating early intervention, increasing efficiency, and improving patient care. Artificial intelligence, AI, systems play a critical role in the early diagnosis of health deterioration by continuously evaluating massive patient data, including vital signs, and notifying healthcare providers of tiny deviations from predefined baselines. In addition to improving patient outcomes and reducing hospitalizations, This proactive approach also improves patient care by encouraging medication adherence and enabling patients to participate actively in their healthcare. AI's role in tailored treatment plans and predictive analytics further improves the quality of patient care. The list of AI health marvels is growing daily. What more could the health department possibly require, given the existence of robot doctors? These are not, however, the humanoid droids that are represented in science fiction movies. These are clever, intelligent devices made for specialized jobs, using only artificial intelligence. AI, a Chinese robot, passed the medical licensing exam in 2017. In that same year, blood arteries as thin as 0.03 millimeters were expertly sutured using the first semi-automated surgical robot. Modern hospitals are brimming with clever machinery these days. Even the most experienced surgeons cannot match the precision of surgical robots, and an AI-equipped Chinese robot dentist is capable of performing complex dental procedures on its own. Intelligent robots also function as transport units and offer assistance with rehabilitation and advice. Even though the majority of these robots are not fully autonomous, they have the potential to completely transform medical operations. Most individuals dream of having their own personal physicians or health assistants, but the expense of doing so prevents them from doing so, or even if they could, there aren't many in the field. But since there are strong AIs on the horizon, this shouldn't be a problem any longer. A variety of consumer-focused products that seek to enhance well-being have been made possible by the growth of the Internet of Medical Things, or IoT, and improved AI. Discrete monitors, wearable technology, and apps that continuously collect data and track vital signs have all been introduced in recent years. These devices make recommendations for how to handle any anomalies based on the information they have gathered. Most of these devices have cloud or local storage for storing data, which may be accessed by medical personnel and added to patient records. The topics we have covered thus far are only the beginning. We will see amazing technological advancements in the healthcare sector in the upcoming years. You may be wondering what these technologies can be at this point. Allow me to briefly introduce you to the AI-powered healthcare of the future. AI will be used by medical businesses in a novel way to enhance patient engagement. Although chatbots are nothing new, utilizing them to interact with patients and give precise answers to their questions is a whole different story, my buddy. It's also anticipated that healthcare providers would begin offering clinical trials that incorporate AI. This will improve our ability to develop medications and vaccines in a timely manner for new diseases that will emerge in the future. Since artificial intelligence operates swiftly, it won't be an issue if another epidemic similar to COVID-19 strikes. AI is also poised to transform healthcare through patient triage, which eliminates the need for a form to be able to diagnose a potential patient's illness. Why is it the case? The patient's medical history, symptoms, and a host of other data will be used to teach the AI. This will help the medical professionals understand the patient's particular issue and ensure that the patient receives therapy on schedule. Before we go on to the last one, please make sure to like and subscribe if you have followed along for more videos like this.